In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 13, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner of it. Hit this sign at the top of your pop-up window. Select Got It, tap on it again, and this time select this icon. Then click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. To go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!